Aloha Leaders, Foods are helping you find your foods, folks, and today we'll be having Nature Valley Cinnamon Butter Biscuits here on Foods, folks. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who will nourish us all and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farmed, cooked, and prepared all these foods, folks, worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip the video and the parts you want to see. Here we go. Oh, that came off. Alright. That's how they look like. Smell. Oh yeah, it has that cinnamon smell. Not bad. I give it a 4.3 out of 5 stars. It's crispy, crunchy on the outside, smooth in the inside. Now it's almost like you're eating peanut butter. Here, it's the almond butter is like a softer, less kick of a peanut butter, basically. Yeah, it's nice, sweet, little bitterness to it. What I mean by that is for the whole thing, not only the butter itself. Yeah. It's okay. Thank you folks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Mahalos.